Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about the latest Windows 11 Insider pre-build for the Canary channel, which is the build 27858. In this video, we're going to discuss what is new, what has changed, and also what is fixed in this latest Windows 11 Insider preview build for the Canary channel. And if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, related to this build and to Copilot Plus PC users, a lot of new AI features are included in this build. For example, the new semantic search, which also supports Intel and AMD Copilot Plus PCs now in this build, and also click to do is a part of this build. You're also going to see a screenshot from Phantom of Earth on Twitter if you want to follow him, which basically shows both features, the semantic search and also click to do, so you can see how that is looking on Copilot Plus PCs. I think it is pretty interesting for AI lovers. On the Canary channel, Windows Recall is not available yet. It's pretty interesting for Microsoft that the Canary channel should be the channel where they're testing the newest features and the newest updates, but the Canary channel is right now a bit behind compared to other channels. Moving on to other things, we also have the emoji and more icon in the system tray. So whenever you open something or type something, you're going to notice that the emoji icon will appear in the system tray, and then you can just click on it to quickly insert an emoji inside your text if you want, for example this one. And of course you can customize this. If you don't want it, you could just right click on the taskbar, go to taskbar settings, and then inside the emoji and more section you can select never while typing or always show the emoji icon, and you can of course use the Windows logo plus period to open the panel anytime you want. Also in the settings app, Microsoft moved over some mouse customization options from the old control panel as they did in other insider channels, but now we also have the customize pointer image section where you can manually customize your mouse pointer, mouse indicator, mouse pointer trails, and so on. Talking about fixes in this build, Microsoft fixed an issue which was causing some insiders to see a black screen when upgrading to the previous flight, and they also fixed an issue causing text to disappear in places across the system after the previous flight. Related to the File Explorer, this update includes increased support for the text scaling settings, inside settings, accessibility, and then text size across File Explorer, File Open and Save dialogues, and also the Copy dialogues. So whenever you have a larger text size, this will be reflected also in the File Explorer. Related to desktop icons, Microsoft updated the logic for apps pinned to the desktop so that packaged apps no longer show an accent colored backplate. So for example, if I were to drag an app from the all apps section, let's go for the media player, you're gonna notice that the icon is also larger and it no longer shows an accent colored backplate. And also if you have shortcuts already on the desktop, you may need to create new shortcuts for this to be reflected on your desktop. Related to input, Microsoft fixed an issue where voice typing wouldn't start from the touch keyboard when using the Chinese narrow layout, and they also fixed a high-hitting ctmon.exe crash which could impact the ability to type. Related to input, they also fixed an explorer.exe crash in this latest build related to the snap layouts, which could happen when dragging a window or hovering over the maximize button in a window. Related to the taskbar, they fixed an issue where the taskbar icons weren't increasing in size as they should when using your PC in a tablet posture, and they also fixed an issue where when using Hebrew or Arabic as your display language, if you pressed Windows plus T then arrow keys focused through the taskbar icons would move in the opposite direction. Related to graphics, Microsoft fixed an issue causing Nightlight to not work for some insiders after the latest flights, and they also fixed an issue which was causing unexpected FPS caps for some insiders in the previous flight. Related to network, they mitigated an issue believed to be the cause of reports that Wi-Fi stopped working for some insiders after the previous flight. Related to audio, Microsoft fixed an underlying issue which could lead to MIDI devices not being recognized in the recent Canary flights, and we also have some other fixes. For example, they fixed an issue causing some insiders to see a bug check with kernel security check failure after the previous flight. Also fixed an issue causing some insiders to see a bug check with system thread exception not handled after the previous flight, and also fixed an issue where setting your desktop background to a GXR HDR wallpaper wasn't working for an extra wide format. A few known issues in this build that Microsoft added to their blog post. For example, if you open up the group policy editor, you may get an error, which is this one, and if you click on OK, you should be able to proceed as normal. This will be fixed in a future build, of course, but in this case, as you can see, it continues to appear. I think the X button is the way to go. Related to input, the pen input may be non-responsive on some PCs that support pen for inking, and also inside the task manager, search and other options such as filtering in the task manager does not work. So as far as I can see, and you can see it as well, the Canary channel is all over the place, and hopefully Microsoft will be able to do something with it, maybe test new features as they did in the beginning and a few months ago. Hopefully that'll be the case in the near future. For additional information, of course, you can check out Phantom of Earth on Twitter or x.com, the article below in the video description, or the official Microsoft blog post. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.